Okay, so a few instructions about how to create your own Quizlet. So the first thing is to go to Quizlet.com. I've just logged out of mine so I can show you. That's why it says goodbye here. But normally if you just go to Quizlet.com, you should find this website. And you can begin. You don't have to sign up here. You can sign up here or you can sign here. So you just create and you get this pop-up window and you complete this, and you just need to, you can also sign in with Google Mail if you like, which is what I do. For this one you can just close and you can enter as a student or as a teacher if you wish. Unit 3. And then we'll put, okay, the next one, you can now enter each card. The first thing you need to do is to set the language at English. Then choose one of your words. And you should also use the definition from the book. Don't try to avoid these definitions. Sometimes they're good and you can understand them, but sometimes they're very difficult, like dictionary definitions. The definitions in your book are written for intermediate level students. That's why they're better. When you're done with that and you find the definition, return then and you can add the part of speech. The reason you do it after is the correct definitions may not come up because the computer, the Quizlet, thinks that adjective is part of the word. Then choose an image and you're done. Okay, so then move on to part 2, to the next one, and you must have a minimum of 2. Okay, I'm just going to remove these other words or these other cards. Now, when you open a Quizlet, there will only be 5 cards available. So to add another one, you have to click Add Card. Now, when you're finished and you've added all the cards, you can also click. You then click Create, and you will see that the word should be first on the flashcard and the definition behind. Okay, so then you can share it to me by email. My email is mkelly@pmu.edu.sa, and you can just send the email. The other way is, what I think is better actually, is just to send me by email, but copy the link and put it into the email and enter your own name. Okay, so don't enter your name here, but enter it in the email and tell me who it is, because if I don't get your name, quite often the email is just from your ID number and I don't know who the student is. So instead, just copy the link here and then open up your email address. So you're going to go to PMU email. No, well, I've opened up already here. And then you're going to send a new message and you're going to put your name. Let's put one of your names. And your surname if there's 2 of you. And then just copy paste the Quizlet URL here. My email address, mkelly, upper spacing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's okay, so this is what you send it to. And then I will enter that onto the blackboard. So to complete it, you must have the word, the part of speech, the definition in your own words or from the book, and then the picture. So to get a full grade, you need to have all of those things. You might need to take some time, your own time, if you find it a bit slow to begin with. So, okay, thank you.